Problem 13, it says, in which group of statements is the conclusion not justified by the previous prior pair of statements? All right, looking at these, usually you can figure these out, but let's look at this. I'm going to use some Venn diagrams probably to help me figure this out. It says all cooks work in the kitchen, or to explain it. All cooks work in the kitchen. So here's the kitchen, and all cooks, if you're a cook, I'm going to put a little C. If you're a cook, you're inside that kitchen. Mary is a cook. So Mary is in this circle. So it says Mary works in the kitchen. Well, if she's in that circle, she's also in that big part of the kitchen, isn't she? So yeah, that's a true. That's logically can make sense. All dinosaurs are extinct. So here, I got this picture. This is everything that's extinct. And it says dinosaurs are in there. So here we are. Dinosaurs are in there. It says a triceratops is a dinosaur. So a triceratops is within this dinosaur circle. All triceratops are extinct. Well, here's a triceratops. It's a part of a dinosaur. We know all these dinosaurs are extinct. So yes, that guy right there, all of them are extinct. So B would make sense to me. All squares are rectangles. So we have this thing of rectangles here. And we'll make it a square just to be cool. All squares are rectangles. So if you're a square, you're within the rectangle body. All rectangles are parallelograms. So all these rectangles, everything inside that big R is a parallelogram. So it's inside everything that's a parallelogram. So now it says all squares, anybody in here, is also a parallelogram. Yeah, everything within this square is within that parallelogram. So that's got to be true also. Let's see here. All fish live in water. So here we have water and all fish. So here's all fish live in water. So here's our water, like our pond, and all fish are in it. Some snakes live in water. Does that mean the snake has to be in here? No, the snake could be over here. Here's the snakes. They're within the water too. They didn't say anything about them being fish. So does it mean that some snakes are fish? Does that mean some of these snakes are also here? They could be. Does that mean they have to be? No, they could be in their own little part of the water. Choice D is going to be the one that doesn't make sense, because if all fish live in water, great. Some snakes live in water. That doesn't mean snakes are fish, and you know that. So most of these, common sense-wise, if you don't even really need to do this, you can sort of read through it and make sense of it. D is the one that is not justified from the previous two pairs of statements. So 13, the answer is D.